and let's make a quick lassi. We've got a lot of spices here. We've got some coriander, mint, ginger. So let's make ginger masala lassi. I'm going to add just one small green chilli in there, coriander, some fresh mint. We've got some grated ginger, and we also have some roasted cumin powder. I like to have a little bit of sugar in my lassi, so I'm adding some sugar. This is powdered sugar. No lassi is complete without black salt. So here goes in some black salt and a little bit of chaat masala. Let's add in curd. So we've added the curd to this, and now let's grind this. Well, all the masala that we've added is all ready, it's ground well. And now let's add in some more curd to this. And let's add in some ice to this. Well, that's enough. Back to the lid. Well, the lassi is done. And here goes the lassi in the glass. We've got some yogurt foam here, which I don't want to miss. I mean, I like foamy lassi. We'll need a little bit of mint and a little sprinkle of some roasted cumin. So my ginger masala lassi is ready. Make it with fresh mint and coriander because it helps in digestion and it is also very refreshing.